Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up Apple Pay on your iPhone. With Apple Pay, you can make secure payments with just a tap, making your shopping experience more convenient. Let's get started. 1. Check compatibility. First, ensure that your iPhone supports Apple Pay. Apple Pay works on iPhone 6 and later models. 2. Update your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. You can check for updates by going to Settings, General, Software Update. 3. Open Wallet, App. Locate the Wallet app on your home screen and open it. This is where you'll manage your Apple Pay settings. 4. Add a card. Tap the Yes Eyes plume. Sign in the upper right corner of the Wallet app. You will be prompted to add a new card. 5. Scan your card. You can either use your iPhone's camera to scan your credit or debit card or enter the card details manually. If scanning, align your card within the frame on your screen. 6. Enter card information. If you choose to enter the card details manually, fill in the required information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. 7. Agree to terms. After entering your card details, you may need to agree to your bank's terms and conditions. Read them carefully and accept if you agree. 8. Verification. Your bank may require additional verification. This could be through a text message or a phone call. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. 9. Set up Face ID or Touch ID. If prompted, set up Face ID or Touch ID for a faster checkout experience. 10. Card added. Once your card is verified, you'll see it added to your wallet. You can also set it as your default payment card if you have multiple cards. 11. Add more cards. If you'd like to add more cards, repeat the above steps for each card you want to include. 12. Using Apple Pay. Now you're ready to use Apple Pay. When making a purchase in stores, look for the Apple Pay logo or the contactless symbol. To pay, simply hold your iPhone near the payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Remember, you can also use Apple Pay for online purchases in apps or on websites that support it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials.